In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset and resize charts on Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly how to zoom in on price action, adjust your time view, and snap everything back to a clean default when you're done. Start by opening your browser and going to tradingview.com. Once you're there, search for any symbol you want to analyze and open it in the full featured chart. If you're already looking at a chart, you're in the right place. The interface we'll use is the same across most symbols, so the process will be consistent no matter what you're viewing. Before we resize anything, it helps to know the two key areas you'll interact with. On the right side of the chart, you'll see the price scale. Along the bottom, you'll see the time scale. These two scales are where you'll hover your mouse to control vertical and horizontal resizing. If you hover over the candles themselves, your scroll wheel may pan the chart instead of resizing, so make sure your cursor is resting directly on the scale you want to adjust. To resize the vertical price scale, move your mouse over the price axis on the right edge of the chart. With your cursor hovering there, roll your mouse wheel up to compress the scale and see a wider range of prices, or roll it down to expand the scale and zoom in on smaller moves. You'll see the chart stretch or squeeze vertically as you scroll. This is helpful when you want to focus on a tight range or step back to view broader price swings without changing symbols. To resize the horizontal timescale, hover your mouse over the time axis along the bottom. Use the scroll wheel the same way. Scrolling up will compress time so you can see more bars at once, while scrolling down expands time so you can zoom in on recent candles. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger scroll works the same way. If nothing changes, check that your cursor is actually on the scale, not in the middle of the chart. When you want to reset your view, a quick double click with the left mouse button does the trick. Double click the price scale on the right to reset the vertical scaling back to automatic. Double click the time scale at the bottom to reset the horizontal zoom. And if you've moved things around a lot, double clicking in the empty chart area will fit the data neatly on screen. That's all you need to resize and reset your Tradingview charts quickly and confidently. Practice hovering on the right or bottom scales, use your scroll wheel to fine-tune, and double-click to restore a clean view. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.